Okay, so to download Calico, go to calicoproject.org, and I'm going to do this. I'm doing this on a Mac right now. And what you want to do is scroll down and find Calico download. Click on that. And then scroll down. The first thing you need to do is install Mono. For Mac OS X, what you want to do is get Mono for Mac. So let's click on that. It says get version 267. So we need to get version 267. So we'll click on that. And then if you scroll down, it shows you what you can use. Now, it says Intel versus PowerPC versus Universal. 99% of machines these days of Macs are Intel. If you're not sure, you can go up to the Apple menu and click on About This Mac, and it'll tell you I have an Intel. So we will download that Intel framework. And it takes a minute to download it. Okay, so once it downloads, you double click on it, opens this up, double click on the package, it says welcome. So let's continue, agree, and we're going to install. And I forgot to mention you have to be the admin, so let me type my password. Bing, bang, boom, we're done. So Mono's installed.